Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Exploring Car, a unique interest-free microloan platform. In this review, we'll delve into Car, a distinctive non-profit lending platform, and its business loan offerings. Links to Car and more details are available in the description below. Car stands out as a non-profit platform specializing in interest-free microloans. Their target audience is entrepreneurs and small business owners, with a distinct emphasis on ventures that generate positive social impact. Unlike traditional lenders, Car connects borrowers with a community of lenders who directly fund their projects. This unique approach makes Car an attractive alternative for those who may not qualify for conventional financing options. Car offers business loans of up to $115,000 with a 0% interest rate and repayment terms that can extend up to 36 months. The application process is designed for simplicity and is entirely online, ensuring accessibility for business owners across the globe. One of Car's most remarkable features is its flexible approach to credit evaluation. Instead of solely relying on credit scores and financial history, Car prioritizes the entrepreneur's story, the business plan, and the ability to garner support from their personal network during the initial funding stages. The process begins with an online application followed by a brief vetting period. During this time, Car reviews the business proposal and the borrower's background. Upon approval, borrowers are required to demonstrate community support by securing a small percentage of the loan amount from their personal contacts. This crucial step not only establishes credibility but also demonstrates commitment to the venture. Subsequently, the loan proposal is presented to Car's extensive network of global lenders who collectively fund the remaining balance. Car is particularly well suited for startups, small business owners, and entrepreneurs requiring a modest amount of capital but who might lack access to traditional loan avenues. It's an especially valuable resource for those seeking to build or strengthen their financial track record. However, it's important to note that the funding process can be time-consuming due to its reliance on community contributions. This might not be the ideal solution for businesses with urgent financial needs. In summary, Car presents an exceptional alternative for entrepreneurs in search of interest-free microloans with a strong emphasis on community backing. This innovative model empowers small business owners who may encounter obstacles within the traditional financing landscape. If you're seeking a low-risk avenue to fund your business and connect with a global network of supporters, Car might be the perfect match. We encourage you to check the links in the description below to explore Car's loan options and determine if they align with your business requirements. This comprehensive review aims to equip you with all the information necessary to make a well-informed decision.